Jason Neil Penworks. Alright, we're going to be opening this with my Todd Bag Bodega. Love this knife. A little bit too big and aggressive for a lot of environments though, so even though the ergonomics are great, you know, it's not something I'm going to bring to dinner with the family type thing. All right. So this I ordered, I don't know, before the interview, and he finally got around, and you know, that's how custom makers go. It's not like when you order something from a custom maker, like, you have to understand that they've got a lot of clients before you, so you're not necessarily going to jump to the top of the list just because you ordered something. So if you're going to order from a small maker, just kind of have that in the back of your mind, that you're getting kind of a much more unique, one-of-a-kind piece. However, it's going to take a little bit of time. Jason Neil got this brand new one to me because I liked his first one I did so much that I went ahead and ordered one. So this was paid in full, so I will be reviewing this, but this was paid in full. So just so you know, I like to be transparent with that stuff. Nice little packaging, right? It's a good little gift kind of thing. What we got here? Oh, nice. We got his card. Jason Neil Penworks, artist. And thanks for your order. I really enjoyed the interview, and I look forward to hearing what you think of the new Tucker. Happy writing, Jason. So he mentioned on Instagram when he sent this out, he said he's made a lot of changes since the Tucker that I had reviewed before, the Mukame Gane one. So let's take a look. All right. Good little pen case, gets the job done. Cool. This is the Tucker in Aurora Borealis. And he designed this one to try and emulate the, well, yeah, just the namesake, the Aurora Borealis. The Northern Lights, as it were. He's got his finial right there with the N. Excellent. Nice. I really like this grip that he made, and I asked him to kind of recreate that grip that I liked on his other one. Oh, it feels great. It feels great in the hand. That is gorgeous. I wish I could take it outside and it was sunny right now, because it is not. Wonder how he did the kind of sparkly effect. It's pretty cool. This is going to be cool. So I'm going to be replacing this nib. You guys will see. Wow. All right, here's the real test. How's it fidget? Do-do-do-do. When it's inked up, it'll have a little bit more weight. It feels a hair longer than the previous one. Maybe not, but I like how the weight is kind of concentrated up here. It helps with the fidgetability too. All right. Plus, you know, if you have shimmer ink in this thing, then, you know, you got to spin it around, right? Get that shimmer all done, all set. This is going to be nice. All right. Wait for what you see next. A custom nib from Sallymander Nibs. I discovered her on Instagram. She makes custom nibs of all crazy sorts, and what she made for me was a custom flex nib called a shark bait, and you will see why. Oh, that's cool. That's absolutely done with my nib. That's awesome. It's got some nice shimmer sheen to it too. From Sally. Thank you, Sally. I like that you included the artwork. Nib in the feed. Cool. So I'm just gonna, well, put that with it so you can see. Look at that. That's why it's called the shark bait. It's got those kind of shark teeth on it. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's an extra piece of metal here that runs along the width of the traditional kind of slit that allows the ink to flow. So this, when these tines split, should help both give the tines some snapback and strength when flexing, and it should also provide an extra point of contact for the ink to flow along, so you're less likely to get railroads. All right, my friends. So I've actually been saving this sample of Diamine Garland because it's a green ink. I got that from Aaron at the Joy and Pens. I've been saving that for this pen for about a month and a half or so. Thank you, Aaron. And here we go. All right, check this out. The Aurora Borealis. Tucker is the design, and this is from Jason Neil Penworks. With a sharkbait nib from Sallymander Nibs. Let's test this out. Let's see how, yeah, we do have some flow. Lovely, surprisingly lovely for a steel nib. Wow. This is definitely among my top flexible nibs. All right, so we got fine there, and then I'm gonna go a little bit of pressure, kind of how I'd normally regularly write. And then let's try some. Good Lord, look at that. Beautiful. Nice. This is lovely. This is really nice, guys. This is just fun, straight up fun. Definitely got that paintbrush feel. Tiny bit of railroading. It's a plastic feed. I think if she were to upgrade to an ebonite feed, I think that would help alleviate that. But also, it's, again, me coming back to a flex pen, and really one of the things with a flex pen, when you're flexing, you have to learn to wait for the pen and wait for the feed, because otherwise you risk railroading. So you can see if you wait for that flex and you wait for that feed, it works fine. But this is very cool, very paintbrush feel. Definitely more flex than I expected, so that is very cool. And what do we got? We got Sallymander Nibs. Dun 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 dun. Sorry guys, I can't help myself. This sharkbait nib is beyond expectations, especially for a steel nib. This is a glorious thing. This is amazing. So there you have it, guys. Some awesome new things from awesome small makers. I love that mailing too. That's just a cool nib. Thanks for watching. Stick with us for more updates and a review of this pen to come.